Welcome to Camper Versions. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to operate the rock and roll bed. To operate the bed, first open the kickboard. Then pull out and rotate the two locking bolts that are located underneath the bed. There is a retaining pin on the frame and on the bolt, which allow the bolt to stay in this open position. Pull the bed out slightly, then put the kickboard back into position. Now pull both seat belts towards you whilst keeping them apart, creating slack in the belts. Holding both belts, pull the front of the bed towards you until flat and pull more seat belt out for more slack if required. Tuck the seat belt clips in between the cushions, bring forward the middle and rear cushion, and the bed is complete. Putting the bed back to a seat is the same process in reverse. There's a strap on the rear section of the bed on the right-hand side. This is the top of the backrest cushion. Without resting on the backrest cushion, pull this strap up towards the roof and at the same time, push slightly at the bottom part of the bed towards the back of the van. A gas ram will assist the bed back into a seat, so you can now let go of the strap. It's easier if you now reposition yourself in front of the bed. As you push the seat back into its final position, start to feed the seat belts back into the reels, keeping hold of the buckles and the belts away from the center of the seat. Once you see the seat belt stoppers to be approximately 30 centimeters up the backrest, the seat is at its final position. If the stoppers are not visible, the belt slack is trapped under the bed and you must release before continuing. Always reopen the kickboard and check there is no seatbelt slack. If there is, simply pull the bed forward if needed and feed the seatbelt upwards into the reel, keeping the belts away from the center. With the seat approximately 3 centimeters from its final position, release the two locking bolts from the retaining pins and push the front of the bed until you hear the bolts click into position. You must check that both bolts have locked into position. Both retaining pins on the locking bolts should be touching the metal work of the bed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch all our tutorials to discover just how easy a Camper Versions vehicle is to use.